Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a rocket jet and hopefully flying it. Right now I'm cutting out some basic wings and then I will do an overview of the process of making the rocket jet. Here I have made the two wings and now I'm going to attach them and begin the final steps to be able to fly the rocket jet. Because I didn't know what to expect, I didn't make very extravagant wings or any other add-ons for this flight. Here you can see the complete model and the pole that I will use to launch the rocket. So my conclusion. Well, let's just say this whole plan was filled with a bunch of problems. Too much thrust for too little time. It was windy. The wings were fine, but they caught the wind and flipped the rocket backwards. I'm already planning on doing a little bit of a follow-up video of launching it with the rockets on the wings. Hopefully this will improve everything.